Hi guys, my name is Susan Henshaw. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Susan Henshaw Space, and today I'm going to be trying a new recipe. It's a crunchy chicken, but I'm going to be doing it in another way. So come with me, guys. Come. Wait, if it's your first time here, please click on the subscribe button and turn on post notification so you get notified when I post. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. Let's go. So I've always wanted to try crunchy chicken, but the recipe has kind of been hard. But I finally found the best, and the most easiest recipe that I can use for crunchy chicken. So let's do it together. So guys, this is my kitchen assistant for today. Introduce yourself.
Hi guys, my name is Maisha.
And today you're going to be at Susan's kitchen assistant. So we are going to be trying. What are we going to be doing? Crunchy
chicken.
I'm going to be trying a new crunchy chicken recipe. So I have leftover chicken from yesterday's order because I made an order for a customer. So I have leftover chicken that I made. So this, can you see? I have 3 pieces of leftover chicken from yesterday's order. So we are going to be trying out the crunchy chicken recipe with these pieces of chicken. Are you excited?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Come and say hi to my camera. I know you want to say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
So guys, this is my food. This is my child's brother, and he's going to be also helping us today to do our crunchy chicken. Let's go.
Bye.
Alright guys, so this is the chicken that we're going to be using for our crunchy chicken, and then we're going to use the cornflakes. We're going to use these cornflakes to do the crunchy chicken. So let's start. It's a new recipe, so you guys should just stay tuned. Let's see how it goes.
Hi.
These are all our ingredients, and Maisha here is going to tell us all that we have. So let's start. Maisha.
Now here is cornflakes.
Okay.
Here is baking powder.
Okay.
Here is flour.
Okay.
Here is
corn flour. Yes.
Here is
Salt.
Ginger and garlic
powder.
Chicken and
black
pepper.
Alright. So I'm going to add a pinch of salt. So we have seasoning cube here, and I'm going to put the seasoning cube on it. So I'm going to take some seasoning cube and rub it all over the chicken with my hands. So after I've added my seasoning, I'm going to rub it all over. After rubbing it all over, then I'm going to add my black pepper. I'm going to add my black pepper. So the next thing we're going to do now is to add our black pepper. So we're going to add our black pepper to it. And I'm going to use the black pepper to rub all over the chicken. So I'm going to use the black pepper to rub all over the chicken like this. See, it has black pepper all over it. So next thing I'm going to add now is ginger and garlic powder. To the spoon, I'm going to put it on it like this, and then I'm going to rub it all over again. So now we have put all the seasoning in the chicken, and now this is what the chicken is like. So we are going to add in our flour. We're going to add in our flour. We're going to add in some corn flour. So we're going to add our baking powder next. So now we're going to add in our baking powder, and this is what everything will go. This is flour, corn flour, and baking powder. So we are going to mix everything together. Aisha is going to crush the cornflakes, so crush it. We're going to pour in our crushed cornflakes into a plate. Yeah. Wait. We are going to crush. Let's crush it. Crush. In a bowl, we are going to add cold water. So this is cold water. We are going to add our chicken into this mixture and make sure we coat it like this, full coverage like this. So now we have covered the chicken, we've coated the chicken with our flour. So this is what it looks like. So I'm going to take it and dip it in cold water small. Take the second one, dip it in cold water for a bit. Take the third one, dip it in cold water and put it down.
Voila.
Alright, so I just dipped it in this and then I coated it with the flour and everything. I put it in cold water. So now we're going to put it in the corn flakes. So this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to rub the corn flakes over the chicken like this.
Remember, guys.
So guys, after coating the chicken with the corn flakes, see what it looks like. Doesn't it not look good already?
Yes, it does.
So here we are going to, we have not fried it yet too, but it looks like we have fried it. We have not fried it yet, so we are going to fry it now. Look at how good it looks. Just look at it. Just look at how good it looks. Now we are about to fry our chicken. The oil is on fire. So guys, this is the result of our crispy chicken. How does it look? So we're going to taste it now and tell you guys how it tastes. But it looks really good. So guys, this is the result of our crispy chicken. I'm going to taste it and tell you guys how it is.
Bye.
Cheers. Cheers. Let's taste it. Raise it over 10.
10.
This is a 10 over 10. Very crunchy, crispy, and delicious.
Hi guys, and don't forget to like,
Share,
and
subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye. Please, you guys should go and try this recipe and tell us what you think. Go and try this recipe and tell us what you think. Bye.